Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuums. In one corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max, and in the other corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive in and see how these two products stack up against each other in various categories. When it comes to suction power, both the Roborock Q7 Max and the robot vacuum and mop combo offer impressive performance. The Q7 Max boasts an incredible maximum suction power of 4,200 pascals, allowing it to easily lift debris and pet hair from various surfaces. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo also delivers a powerful suction motor with a roller brush, making vacuuming a breeze. It's a tie in this category. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can also mop your floors, both of these products have got you covered. The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously, offering 30 water flow levels to fine-tune the cleaning process based on your floor types and preferences. Similarly, the robot vacuum and mop combo is a 3-in-1 device that combines vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping capabilities. It even has a 250 ml dust box and a 200 ml water tank for efficient cleaning. It's a tie here as well. When it comes to navigation and mapping, the Roborock Q7 Max takes the lead. It features PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, which builds precise 3D maps of your home and monitors cleaning routes efficiently. You can even virtually recreate your home by adding furnishings and flooring materials. While the robot vacuum and mop combo doesn't offer the same level of advanced mapping, it still gets the job done effectively. In terms of convenience, the Roborock Q7 Max combines its 470 ml dustbin and 350 ml water tank, allowing you to clean more often without worrying about emptying or refilling. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers a 250 ml dust box and a 200 ml water tank, providing ample capacity for your cleaning needs. When it comes to brush design, the Roborock Q7 Max features a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush that strongly resists hair tangles, making it ideal for tackling long hair and pet hair. Its design allows it to be closer to the floor for deeper and more efficient cleaning. The robot vacuum and mop combo also comes with a roller brush that aids in effective vacuuming. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Roborock Q7 Max can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, thanks to its specially designed battery. It can cover a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 square feet. The robot vacuum and mop combo also offers decent battery life but falls slightly short compared to the Q7 Max. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max has been praised for its powerful suction, versatile vacuuming and mopping capabilities, advanced navigation and mapping features, and convenient dustbin and water tank capacity. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo has been commended for its efficient and multifunctional performance, effective brush design, and decent battery life. Overall, both products have received positive feedback from customers. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max and the robot vacuum and mop combo. Both products have their strengths and weaknesses, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and additional information. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.